Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to train your dragon's Rise of Berk full guide. Open the game and tap your town center to begin. Start by completing the tutorial to unlock training options. Focus on feeding dragons the right food and assigning them to training schools. Balance resource gathering and building upgrades to keep progress steady. Check your dragon roster often and prioritize rare dragons for breeding and battles. Choose a dragon and first check its natural strengths before assigning training routines. Use food boosts strategically to shorten training time and raise experience quickly. Rotate dragons through different schools to build balanced stats like attack and aerobatics. Track training timers and return promptly to start the next session. Prioritize dragons useful for events and battles to maximize benefits. Keep upgrades current to improve training capacity and speed. Match dragon types carefully when breeding to increase the chance of rare offspring and higher stats. Monitor event calendars and participate daily to earn exclusive dragons and big resource bonuses. Time your breeding cycles around events so eggs hatch when you can use them immediately. Save premium resources for high-value breeds and event offers. Use breeding boosts and stalls wisely to stack advantages for battles and community challenges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.